finals of the 3x3 one-day league this Sunday. Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. Yung mananalo, battle for third. Start of the ball game. Magno dribbles over bata. Magno dribbles the ball, takes the jumper. Lucky bounce for Magno. Gloria looks to clear the ball. Wala na, hanap na kakampi. Gloria passes to Abellano, passes to Rojas. Rojas sizing up the address. Bank is open for Mr. Ken Rojas. Patrick, what a move! Yun lang, wala. Rebound, good, Gloria. Gloria clears the ball. Turnover, Mr. Gloria. Blue ball. Oh, green ball, my bad. Abellano. With the ball, the blue ball. Makes his move on Magno. Field drop. Wala. Rebound. Hindi wala. Turnover by Mr. Abellano. Ayan. Pinasa kay Magno. Magno makes his move. Drop pass to Ayan. Nice pass yun. Blue team is up by green team. Up by 2. Laban pala yung blue. Air ball win. Blue ball. Magno. Pinasa kay Patrick. Patrick nag-drive. Pinasa kay Julius. Pinasa kay Magno. Magno takes the jumper. No good. Rebound ni Patrick. Wala ulit. Pinasa kay Julius. Julius takes the shot. Passes to Magno. Wala. 8-second shot clock. Magno. Magno nag-dribble. Foul. Traveling, bye-bye. Abellano passes to Rojas. Nawala. Turnover. Good ball, good ball. Patrick, pinasa kay Magno. Magno nagpapahinga. Pinasa kay Patrick. Sizes up to Rojas. Right. And wala. Dalawang free throw ba? 2 free throws coming up for Mr. Patrick. Blue team is up by 1 point. 2-1. Mr. Llanes does not miss his first free throw. Looks to makes his last free throw. Gloria. Here's the ball for the green team. Pinasa kay Abellano. Abellano. Drop pass to Ken. Ang ganda. What an assist by Abellano. Magno. Pinasa kay Patrick. 4-3. Does not go in. Green ball. Substitution. Ayan, and Magno out, Torrente and Jack C. Substitution also for the green team. Lozaga in and Juanito in. Ay, pinasa kay Juanito takes his first shot of the ball game. Wala, rebound to Alvin, blocked by Pat. Lozaga, naghanap ng teammate, crosses over, does not take the jump shot. Aldrin, sidestep, what a move, wala. Patrick with the rebound, clears the ball for the blue team. Patrick, pinasa kay Torrente, takes the 3 ball, it's bang! Blue team is now out by 3.
Pwede ka sumali, pwede ka daw! Kahit ano daw! Mag-block ka ng jersey kahit ano.
Abellano, pinasa kay Brewan. Looks to make a play for the blue team. Makes a move, drop pass to Jeff, wala. Turn over. John Johnson inbounds the ball for the blue team. Torrente, what a drop pass! pinasa kay Patrick. Sige, kalma ka muna ba? 3 points.
Bang!
Wala. Rebound, rebound. Kuya Waling. It's a move on Torrente. Wala. Rebound, Aldrin. Aldrin. Pinasa kay Kuya Waling. Easy basket for Mr. Waling. Patrick. Here's the ball. Makes a move on Kuya Waling. What a move by Patrick. Wala. Rebound na ulit. Pinasa kay Torrente. Nawala. Nakuha ni Patrick. Shot clock mo, Patrick. 3 points. Patrick Llaves. Bang, bang. Blue team is up by 4 points with 5 minutes and 40 seconds left in the ball game. Rebound ulit ni Patrick. Patrick, pinasa kay Torrente. Torrente, pinasa kay Joe. Nice shot. Kuya Waling, pinasa kay Jed. What a pass by Jed Gonzaga. Torrente. Torrente, dribble. Torrente, shot mo, Torrente. Nice pass! Shot clock violation. Good ball. Kuya Waling makes his move on Jong. No good. Rebound ni Andrew. Drop. Block ni Jong ulit. Kuya Torrente, sinadala yung bola ng blue team. What a move! Kanino? Kay Aldrin ba? Offensive foul on Torrente.
Sige, ang kakampi
Aldrin
din
dribbles the
niya.
ball, pinasa kay Jed. Jed, what a move on the others. Patrick clears the ball. Tinira ng press. Bang, bang. Blue team is now up by 5 points. Na-steal ulit ni Aldrin. Pinasa kay Waling. Kuya Waling makes his move. What a block by Kuya Brian. No basket. Change possession, clear ball. Ulitin natin. Change possession, clear ball tayo. Blue ball. No basket doon. Patrick, again for 3. Air balls in. Green
Ako yung
ball.
magbango ng men. Ano ka?
Pwede magsama.
Amoy pabango.
Pwede magsama.
Hindi niya paus yung pabango yan. Yung pabango yan.
Blue team.
Chris!
Ha?
Chris, isa mo?
Black man mo.
Chris, sinasalita yung PBL.
Kaya mo yan.
Natanggap ako. Verbal.
Ikaw, ano?
Sawahin mo yan.
May sinabi.
Kaya nga ng kuya ko lang ilan.
Aldrin, pinasa kay Jed. Pinasa ulit ni Aldrin. Aldrin, nagmamadali. Nawala yung dribble niya. Nagmamadali. Nag-turnover.
Pacquiao. NPBL.
Alam ko yun.
Yeah, Bres. Inbound the ball to Torrente. Looks to make a play for the blue team. Passes to Magno. Magno takes the counter. No good. Rebound ni Kuya Waling. Here's the ball to Aldrin. Aldrin passes back to Kuya Waling. Kuya Waling hinahanap ng Kuya Waling. Pinasa kay Aldrin. Na-steal ni Magno. Magno passes to Patrick. Patrick.
Uy, go.
Makes his move. Pinasa kay Magno. Nice pass by Kuya Waling. What a quality play.
0-3 sila. Talo sila. Walang kwenta yung mga team.
Good. Good ball. Okay. 3 minutes and 33 seconds left in the ball game. Blue team is up by 6 points, 11-5. Winner goes to the finals in this 1-8. Kuya Waling, binigyan ni Jed ng screen. Ang ganda. Rebound ulit ni Kuya Waling. Reverse layup is good for Kuya Waling. Patrick passes to Brian.
5 points.
Torrente tries to take. Torrente, step back, drop pass, wala. Kaya Aldrin. Nakuha ni Magno. Magno, asawain mo yan. 3 minutes left in the ballgame. Jed Gonzaga takes the jumper, no good. Rebound by the Alvarez. The Alvarez passes to Magno. Kalma lang daw, sabi ni Magno. Nice layup by Magno. What a knockout play.
Kulang pa, nandiyan
Blue
pa si
team is
Marshall.
up by 6 points, 12-6.
Marshall, nandiyan pa.
Kaninong ball. Substitution.
Tungkol lang ba yung laro ng kids?
Green
Kami
ball.
talaga.
2 minutes and 43 seconds left in the ball game. Gonzaga passes to Kuya Willie. Kuya Willie pinasa kay Jen. Wala. Liabres with a rebound.
Ano? Buka ba nagbibiro? Ha?
Patrick. Pinasa kay Torrente. Torrente. Pinabasa na naman ako.
Upper ball.
Ay, shot clock.
Dito ako.
Shot clock dito si Turkey.
Tatanda pa ako sa'yo.
Waning pinasa kay Ken. Ken, speed move. What a move by Ken Ross. Patrick, what a move. Steal. Wala. Ito ni Marno. Pinasa kay Patrick. What a move. And one play for Patrick Yamas. Score is 13-7 in favor of the blue team.
No, si Liam oh. Liam!
Patrick looks to make his and one free throw.
Si Liam oh. Liam!
No good.
Liam!
Rebound to Magno. Pinasa kay Patrick. Pinasa kay Torrente.
Wait! Lalaro ka, di ba?
6-second shot clock. Conway winning.
Lalaro ka?
With the steal.
Lalaro
1
ka?
minute and 50 seconds left in the ballgame. Kuya Waning crossover na steal ni Brian. So whose ball rep?
Dito mag-play.
Blue ball, blue ball.
Wait, lalaro ka hindi.
Magno inbounds the ball for the blue team. Torrente tries to make a move on Kendrick.
Ha?
Torrente takes the shot. Wala mo! Torrente drop back the Patrick.
Wait.
Jen, here's the ball. Oy, labas mo muna, Ken. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Gonzaga, pinasa kay Ken. Nawala. Wala. Good ball, good ball. Good ball, good ball. Torrente with the ball. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. They lead by 6 points. 7 na lang.
On the behind.
No good. Gonzaga with the rebound. Last 1 minute in the ball game. 3 points for them. Down to 4 points in lead. 50 seconds. Patrick, ginagamit yung oras. Na-steal ni Jen. Tira ulit! Tira ulit! Pasok! Hey! 14 seconds left in the ball game. 2 points sa lalim lamang ng blue. Torrente, ginagamit yung oras. 30 seconds left in the ball game.
2, 1.
Shot clock violation. Timeout, blue team. Last 25 seconds left in the ball game. What a 4-point run by Mr. Gonzaga ng Green Team. Grabe naman yun, parang rin sa bando.
Galing mag-dribble ni Liam.
Grabe si Ted. Tignan natin kung hindi pa kaya ng overtime to. Pero ang ganda ng team ng isang 60 Joshua.
Papa, wala kami dalawa ni Steve. Wala kami dalawa ni Steve.
Back to the ball game. Green ball. 25 seconds left. Gonzaga with the ball. 13 seconds shot clock. Ken Rojas. 10 seconds. Zed. Nakagaw ni Daddy. Torrente with the ball. Pinasa kay Patrick. 9 seconds shot clock. Patrick with the jump shot. No good. Rebound ni Torrente. 6 seconds. Wala na. Nice. Winner, blue team. The blue team advances to the finals. The green team will wait for the battle of third.
Hindi mo alam. Pipili ka lang kung lalaro ka hindi. Laro ka muna. Sa bigkit lang itasa ka mo. Ay, kulang pa. Sa punta.
Gagawin niyo doon.
Next up, semifinals for the Miracle Team versus Great. Tingnan natin kung magdadala ng PMO yung Miracle na sa series. Mr. Diaz shows up for the PMO in this semifinals match. Magandang laban to versus the Great Team. Black versus Great. The winner advances to the finals to face the blue team. Hindi ka na dito. Mag-start na yung game. Hindi ka na dito. Start na. Let's go, let's go! Toss point. Ano na bola rin? Great ball. Start of the ball game.
Right. Tarong natin mamaya kay Coach. Sabihin mo pa
Lopez inbounds the ball for the green team. Lopez passes to the ball. Pinasa kay Paul. Good defense to number 19. Lopez shoots a three. Wala. Fernandez with a rebound. Pinasa kay Diaz. Diaz hits the three. Passes to number 19. Rebound ulit ni Fernandez. No good. Rebound ni Diaz. First points for the ball game. Violation.
Bakit daw? Travel.
Lopez passes to Prezan. Prezan passes to Lopez again.
Sinasabi mo parehas kayo ng pangalan ni Tito Paul?
Kanina bola?
Ha?
Gray ball.
Ay, sinasabi mo parehas kayo ng
Tito Paul. Pinasa kay Paul. Tinagawin. Fernandez passes to an open Diaz. BMO is up by 2 points. 8 minutes and 15 seconds to go. And what a block by number 19. Pinasa kay Diaz. Diaz brings the ball for the BMO. Diaz passes to Fernandez for 3. No good. Ball with the rebound. Looks to make a move on number 19. Ball pinasa kay Lopez. From pass to ball. Pinasa kay wala. Nice thing Fernandez. Sizes up Fernandez. Passes to Tito Paul. Nakuha. 6-second shot clock. Wala. Reset shot clock. Lopez with the ball. Picks up his dribble. Pinasa kay Lopez. Layup. No good. Rebound by Fernandez. Fernandez, pinasa kay Diaz for 3. Wala. Pinasahan kay the rebound. Pinasa kay Tito Paul. Tito Paul. Wala. Rebound na lang kay Tito Paul. Tito Paul. What? A power move sa... Okay lang, Tito. Fernandez looks to make a 3-point. Makes it. PMO is now up by 4 points. Substitution na ba?
Ay, nababay.
Tito Paul sizes off. Number 19. Wala. Rebound number 19. Diaz clears the ball for the PMO. Diaz. 3, 2, 1. Shot clock. Reset shot clock. Steal by Mazan. Mazan pinasa kay Lopez. Looks to make a break for the Great Team. What a move by Lopez. First points for the Great Team. Diaz, pinasa kay Fernandez. Knockout play sa akin. Fernandez. Back is open. Here's the ball for the Great Team. PMO is up by 4 points. Bully by Mazan. Substitution. 4 seconds shot clock. 2, 1. Rebound Diaz. Palacios. Fresh legs into the ball game. What a move by Diaz. Sorry. Palacios pala. PMO is up by 4 points.
Sino kayo, Jerica?
Clean sheet. Up by 5 points.
Wala kayong bola.
6-4. Ball, Jorge Gazan at the point guard para sa BT. Pinasa kay Lopez. Block by number 19. Palacios. No goal. Rebound by Palacios. No goal. Ulit. Kuya John. With the rebound. Lopez. Lopez. Steal by number 3 ball, 6 second shot clock. 5, 4, 3, 2. Palacios. Foul. Sub. Time out now. Time out.
Tikit ka, may kita mo pa sila.
Oy, Zed! Hi to the camera! Uy! Yung malaking minion nandun nasa camera. La, ikaw daw yung minion, no? Oh, lo! Sorry ko!
Picture ako, idol. Picture kayo. Picture kayo, Sed. Sed, picture kayo, Sed.
Picture daw!
Picture kayo.
Sino ka? Ikaw ba siya?
Oy, picture.
Ikaw sige, picture.
Dito, gitna.
Oy.
Kasi kaya ginawa, kaya ko.
Usog ka, Jericho. Usog pa. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2. Magjowa ba kayo? Nakayakap ka pa. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Oo, ba't bumababa to?
Senyor.
Pero,
Siyempre, ano?
yan ang lamang.
Rajaan passes to Banal. Banal with a bench shot. Diaz again takes the 3 points and hit it. Rebound. Tito Paul. What a move by Tito Paul.